good with y'all boys? Hey, we back with another video. But today we are not working on the car. We're doing something special. As y'all can see in the title, we head into it's a Cars and Coffee, but it's a pre-meet, but it's also a cruise. So I don't really know where we're going. This Newport Car Club is throwing it, so we're gonna pull up to that. We're on the way right now, 41 miles. Currently 7:30 in the morning. You feel what I'm saying? We're back in LA, not in the Bay Area, because school started again. But we have this nice 3-day weekend. So as I'm heading down to car show, I'm going down to my uncle's down by San Diego as well. So it's on the way. So we decided to get up early and get on the road before all the traffic and stuff. But yeah, not too much to be said. I'm gonna just see y'all when I'm there. We're gonna get some B-roll. I'm gonna just, you feel me? I might be able to get a POV for the cruise, just to see, like, you feel me, who we cruising with and stuff. Y'all can get my POV, stuff like that. But yeah, type shit. That motherfucker cool as hell. What the hell? That boy sleek as hell. Holy, he be there at the meet type shit. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I forgot to tell y'all, this morning I got some McDonald's, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all my McDonald's order right now. So you gotta get a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. If you hungry, you get 2 of them hoes. Then you get a little hash brown. You gotta get the little orange juice. And if you wanna feel spicy, you get like a little sweet and sour sauce. You dip the hash brown in the sauce. But that whole bust, bro. I swear to God, by that. So good, bro. Y'all, so we almost there. We in traffic and stuff. And we going to this meeting. Guess who I see? Is that Fast Life Nick? I was like, be watching his YouTube videos all week. That is crazy. Nah, this shit is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, that's nice. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy, because it's literally like you watch YouTube and it's just like you just here now. It's like, bro, this is unreal. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna just show us pulling up to the meet and then parking and eat. Sorry, I didn't mean Fast Life Nick. I mean Finding Nick. But I just followed them a little bit. They just went to a car wash. Him and his friends and stuff to do with the M4 CS, the orange one. But yeah, so I don't know. The meet was supposed to be here, the location, but I don't know where. They might have left or it's just not here. So I'm gonna drive around a little bit to see if I find it. But if I don't, there's another meet on Monday I'm trying to go to. So we might end up. I might filming that. But whatever I film next, like, you know, that's just where we'll be at. Yeah, we just got back on the highway. We definitely going to the right place now. 300 ZX. There's a bunch of cars up there, Porsches and stuff. Oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely see y'all when we there, because we definitely going to the right place. Just walk over there, because this line hella long and I'm really regular traffic for real, so ain't no point of waiting all this way. I'm just gonna walk over there, but I'm just get some B-roll for y'all and I'm gonna talk to y'all after and see what we doing. So yeah. lie, this hoe was lit. As y'all just seen by the footage, there was a lot of crazy stuff here. We seen Finding Nick as we seen on the road. He was parked up here. And we seen a lot of stuff around that Pagani. I was waiting for it to pull up because I knew it was gonna be here because I've been seeing it at other ones at this meet, and everybody always like is glazing. Everybody's always there. But yeah, that's all we got for today for Card Meet Monday. I'm gonna check it out. Yo, so I don't know if y'all can see me. We at the second meet right now. It is indeed Monday night. It is indeed some crazy cars here. I heard some turbo. I seen some hood exit, some slicks. I seen some crazy stuff. As soon as I got here, we did see. I see Nick 2 from the last meet. They was leaving though, so yeah, we about to see. It's kind of dark. I'm just gonna get a little bit of footage. I'm just gonna record some of the cars for y'all, but yeah, I don't know how much we gonna get out tonight because there's also police rolling around, so I don't know how long it's gonna last if I'm being honest. But Get no ankle. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's kind of crazy. I hope we got some good content for you. I might have dip out because before police pull up, they had helicopters on this, hella stuff as y'all seen. Hella YouTubers, hella big stuff. Y'all probably don't know half the people here. I don't even know, but like, yeah, we about to dip right now because some people dipping. I'm not waiting for police. Like, I got school in the morning, so we finna dip. But I hope y'all like this. How the hell I get out of here? I hope y'all like this video because you feel me, we can do more of this. If you just let me know. Hopefully, got some good content and stuff. Just like, you feel me? Subscribe, you feel me? All that good shit, you feel me? Type shit. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later because I'm finna dip out of here.
Us. Lord, please bring my bitch, cause these hoes fried out.